Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sana's Kitchen. I'm Sana Safinatan, nutritionist, diet consultant, and assistant professor in food and nutrition. Today, I've come up with a low-calorie snack that's called as mixed sprout canapes. Now, it's a healthy weight loss snack. You can even the Weight Watchers, the people who are following my weight loss session, can have it as an evening snack. It's a colorful, it's a healthy, it's low calories and very delicious. See how delicious it's looking. Now we go on with the ingredients that we use. The ingredients are as follows. You can see such colorful ingredients. I have just kept it. These are the mixed sprouts. I've taken chopped apple, I've taken tomato, chopped half tomato, I've taken half chopped onion, coriander, and now I show you how the canapes look like. These are the canapes, how they look like. These are available easily in the market. You get one packet which you can use it for long. See, this is how it looks. You can have a look. I'm showing you. And now these canapes, with this canapes, I've taken yogurt, beaten yogurt, and I've taken tamarind chutney, but I have added little jaggery in it. I have added no sugar. Little black jaggery you can add, or you can add honey, but no sugar at all. Now, spices can be absolutely of your choice. You can use any spices you like to. See. Now I go on with the mixing part. Now for the mix, before mixing, I am going to bake the canapes. See, after baking the canapes, just for 5 minutes of baking, it becomes very crisp and very delicious. It becomes light golden brown. I've just baked it at 180 degrees centigrades for just 5 minutes. And this is how it looks. See. Baking causes it to have it in less calories. Now I go with the mixing of all the ingredients. You can have a look at the ingredients. You can have the portion size. You can look at the portion size. I've added chopped apples. You can even add chopped pineapple and little pomegranate in it. It tastes delicious with it. See, now the mixing part. Half cup sprouts. In that I've added half onion, half tomato. When you chop apple, remember that you have to chop it with the skin. Do not remove the skin because it has lots of fiber. All the nutrients of apple are present in the skin. So always remember, do not peel the apple. Add coriander, mix it. As I told you, you can even add pineapple, chopped pineapple and chopped pomegranate if you wish to. Now comes the plating part. As for the portion size, one person can have 5 canapes at one time without worrying about the weight. Arrange it like this. This is high in proteins. You add salt, chaat masala. I've added chili flakes, cumin powder, coriander powder. You can even add amchur powder if you wish to. Spices can absolutely be of your taste. I've added yogurt, beaten yogurt, but it's without sugar, remember. The tamarind chutney, little bit tamarind chutney with jaggery and not with sugar. Finally, some chopped coriander, and yes, your delicious snack is ready. It is much low calories when you compare to the sev puri or dahi puri that you eat because it has the fried puri in it. Yes, it's ready. Remember one thing, that whenever you prepare it, you have to eat it instantly. Otherwise, the crispiness just goes on. Thank you so much for watching Sana's Kitchen.